Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve a blue screen error you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer with the Microsoft Game Input. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, on how to resolve this issue. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. Double click on your display adapter listed in here, and then right click on the actual display adapter in the drop down and select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers, and select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the manufacturer specific one unless there's only generic drivers available, and then you would select Next and give it a moment. And once that's done, go ahead and close out of here. Open up the search menu and type in CMD, best match, should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, type in SFC, then a space / scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to the / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once it has concluded, go ahead and close out of here. And you want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully at this point your Microsoft Game Input should not be experiencing any more issues, no more blue screens resulting from that. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.